How's it going, everyone? We are here at the Acer headquarters today, and my name is Clark Gurdon. And today I would like to introduce to you the Porsche Design AcerBook RS laptop. It's one of our latest collaborations with Porsche Design, and it actually is it's a good-looking laptop. The first thing I'd like to call out is this is a 3K carbon fiber cover. Not only does it look good, it actually helps contribute to the lightness of this notebook. It's only 1.2 kilograms. Now, in addition to that, it also has a very nice screen. This is an antimicrobial Corning Gorilla Glass touchscreen. The antimicrobial is very important, as you know, for these days in order to keep germs at an absolute minimum. That's a nice added benefit. And the Corning Gorilla Glass is useful if you do get a little bit rough with the screen, which does happen. Then it can definitely withstand the punishment as well. Now, beyond that, the actual internals, the components driving this laptop are quite high-end. You have an 11th gen Intel Core processor and GeForce MX350 graphics. So on the off chance you do need to do some light photo editing or graphic design, or you're just a bit more of a power user at times, you can do those with relative ease. You also have up to 16 gigabytes of RAM as well. So if you want to make use of just running other tasks, that shouldn't be a problem for this device. In terms of how it feels, it's very soft, and the touchpad itself even has a silky finish. Unfortunately, it's not something you can see unless you get a chance to try it out for yourself. But the touchpad is something you definitely want to check out. In terms of connectivity, you have tons of options here. You have Wi-Fi 6 capability, not related to ports, but still very important. You need to have that. Bluetooth 5.1 as well. But in terms of actual connections, you have USB 3.2 Gen 2 and USB-C Thunderbolt 4. That means you're going to get ultra-quick data transfers should you need them. And you can even hook this up to an external display and power the laptop that way. On the other side, we do have another USB port, as well as your audio jack. If you probably are going to use some headphones, but most headphones are also using a USB dongle these days. And by the way, it does include a 14-inch screen. I did forget to mention that, but it is a beautiful 14-inch display that you're never going to want to take your eyes off. In addition to being an ultralight notebook made for travel, battery life is important. This includes up to 17 hours of battery life. And if you do run low, you can just charge it for 30 minutes to get you 4 hours of use. Now, in terms of the design, it's actually quite functional. It uses a unibody hinge, which not only looks elegant, but also is less prone to fall apart than most other regular hinges. And cooling's never an issue, mainly because you have these two vents right here to pull in air, in addition to the hot pipes that are also underneath, making it so that when you're actually looking at the laptop, you don't notice any sort of garish fans pulling in air from here. It's very elegant, looks very nice, looks very clean. And even from the side, it gives you kind of that race car feel. Now, in case you were wondering why we have this box here behind me, it's because there's actually multiple ways to purchase this laptop. You can get the laptop on its own or get the premium set, which actually includes additional accessories. Inside, we have the Acer Mouse, which actually has a carbon fiber left-click mouse button, as well as being wireless, and a carrying case for your AC adapter and other materials if you want to put the mouse or other things inside. This is also made with Echo Paramo XA leather, which is extremely comfortable and is also magnetic. And the magnetic portion is important because in addition to these already very nice accessories, you have this case right here for the laptop itself. Everything's magnetic, just like I showed before, so you can put all the components together. It's very easy to carry around. So if you're looking for a gift for your mom or dad, or maybe for yourself that has that classic design look and feel, this will be available in December. So check with your local retailer and see if you can get your hands on one as soon as possible.